Okay, guys, good morning, good morning. It is the 2nd of September today, 9:12 a.m. Finished August, now we are in September. So let's do the weekly rundown. First of all, going to go to the economic calendar, see what we've got this week in terms of news. Once we know what there is news-wise, then we can kind of predict what the best days are going to be trading-wise. So September 3rd, which is tomorrow, doesn't look like there's anything today. Mondays usually don't have much. So Tuesday, ISM manufacturing, that does move the market. So expecting gold, US 100, US 30, US 500 to be moving at 1500 on Tuesday. Wednesday, we don't have anything. We have Fed beige speak later on, exports, balance of trade. Nothing really concrete here to move the market. So Wednesday, pretty much nothing. Thursday, we have ISM services. It can move the market. It's not really something that I would watch out for, but still, probably going to be a good day on Thursday. And then we've obviously got the first Friday of every single month is non-farm payroll, which will move the market. We do usually see big moves here. It can consolidate, but lots of volume on Friday. So that's the first week. So I would say Tuesday and Thursday are probably the best day for us to catch some trades. Now, what happened last week in terms of volume and moves in US 100? Well, we did move all the way down here. We moved down to 19,100 and then we wicked up. We ended up closing about 19,600-ish. So basically consolidation. What do we know when we see a mid move like this? Usually the next week is bullish, so I do expect to move to 20,100 this week. If we go to the hourly, it's kind of looking like we could get that. So we do have, in fact, this just looks messy. So I'm just going to get rid of this. I'm going to move that back there because there is a level there. That looks a little bit better. So we can see that we do clearly have buy pressure here. We have the left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Potentially today we will see the continued move to the upside here. Monday, Tuesday, retest. Wednesday, potential consolidation. Thursday, I do expect Thursday to be the best day. And then Friday, minor move to the downside, but overall bullish, finishing up around about here. So we could get a trade here today, potentially Tuesday, and probably Thursday. Friday, I'm not really going to touch, not really into that. Non-farm payroll can just move crazy, so I'm not really going to trade that. Let's go to the US 30 now. So we already know what we're looking for on US 100, US 30. Right, so let's take a look at the weekly here. So we did break the high. So what do I expect? I expect more moves to the upside. I expect this too. We do have a range on this. It's usually around about that, so about 600. Once we break a high, it can move pretty good. So at about 600, we do have that key level there. Clone, where is around about 600? Yeah, about there. So on the hourly, pretty simple here. Retest this key level here, the high, probably consolidate and then move to the upside. So again, Monday, potential bounce here. Minor bounce. Again, there's no news, so I really don't expect much. Tuesday, the move to the upside, breaking this level here. Wednesday or Thursday, we retest here. Move to the upside, and then Friday, we're already here. We just see it, a little retest. And then a move to the upside there. So that's what I expect on US 30. The best trade is right about here at 41,388. And then obviously when we break this key level here, look for the retest there. Simple as that, which will be probably Tuesday. I do expect it to happen Tuesday. Well, sorry, Thursday. Wednesday, I don't really expect much of this. So yeah, Tuesday and Thursday, potentially today, maybe. Not got much in terms of news, but it could move. So gold is a weird one. So, well, not weird. We got the head and shoulders here. It's retesting the neckline. We've finally got the head and shoulders pattern. It's been completed. The neckline has been broken. What do we expect? Moves to the downside. I need to go to the weekly though. 1 second, but I am looking for sales here, all the way down to 2,470. That's the key level. Stop loss will be just above here. It's 3 to 1, which is a really good risk to reward trade. Let's go to the weekly. Yeah, weekly is a pin bar. Nothing really too crazy in terms of actual volume here. Pin bar, yes, this could close bearish, but it also could pin here. So I do expect a move to the downside. What it does after, I don't really know, but we do have a sell signal with the head and shoulders pattern. Move to the downside. What do we know? That more than likely this range here is going to be the range that this moves, which roundabout is where our TP is. We can probably have it a little bit higher, probably there, just to guarantee that we get stopped out at TP. There is a level there as well. There is lots of buy pressure there as well. So yeah, that does make more sense. So yeah, that is it, guys. That is your weekly rundown. We've gone through US 100, US 30, gold. Let's take a look at the stock market now, shall we? Let's take a look at the market in general. So the DXY, see a move to the upside here. So we've found buy pressure at the 100 level, still in a downtrend. So the US dollar is still in a downtrend. Nothing really to really comment on that. We've done US 100, US 500, which is the S&P. Pin in, probably going to break the highs this week. Gold, we already know is a pin bar. Microsoft, yeah, pin in, probably going to see a move to the upside this week, breaking the 430 level. Once we break 430, I will be going long. Apple, already kind of at the highs, pin in. This is probably going to continue for the next couple of weeks. Meta moving to the upside, pinning, probably going to break the highs. Amazon, again, you'll basically see the same thing. Google, now this week could go to 170. If it does go to 170, I will be buying this and I'll be going to the 200 level. So that is the level that I'm looking for on Google. Tesla, pinning. I am expecting a move to the upside. Potentially going to buy this. I'm not really too sure. Bitcoin moved to the downside. It went from 64,000 to now 58,000. Again, it's not breaking this level. If it does, then I'm kind of just going to be out of this. Could pin this week and then the next couple of weeks move to the upside, but we're going to see the same story on every single crypto because Bitcoin sets the trend. Just like stocks, we all see the same kind of setup, don't we? We already know that. So, stock market's looking good. Crypto, meh. Indices are looking good, and gold potential moves to the downside to that key level. So that is your full market update, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you guys for watching the recording as well. I know that not everyone can watch live sessions at 9 o'clock. So take care, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.